Hey everyone, this is Kevin Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me on my media channel. Today we are doing a little bit of an unboxing of Sonic Prime Season 2. Yes, this is the Netflix show. Yes, they are continuing to come out. So clearly this isn't something that Netflix made from the ground up. They're just licensing it, but their name is still on it. And I always do like to buy Netflix stuff when it comes on physical media. Kind of, support the fact that we would buy these things, but also I'm a huge Sonic fan, so Now the cover is interesting. It has like the various. I think these are the pirate versions of the Sonic characters, and you'll know what that means if you've been watching the show. But I think it's okay. It's not super dynamic, but it's fine. Do like the little cover on it, and in the back, they're really focusing on, wait, is this the pirate? No, this is the caveman thing. That's the pirate one. They do hint at Shadow. I'm not sure why Shadow is not on the cover. Like, again, I think they could have picked a better picture. And, here's, it's like showing the episodes that they have. They show the aspect ratio. This is DTS, which is excellent. And 193 minutes worth of Sonic show, and I believe there is a third season. The inside is pretty much the same thing as before. The one thing that I'm hoping that looks good is the discs, because the discs on the first set stood out like, oh, nice artwork and everything. It made the whole package an experience. That's one of the reasons why I like unboxing. It's not because it's like the most exciting thing in the world, but because there's like a little experience there when you're opening something and just to see what they do. So let's see what they do with the discs on this one. And they use the same picture. So, I mean, if I like the picture more, maybe that wouldn't be so disappointing. I don't know. But it is nice that there is only one disc on this whole thing, which means if you happen to get this set and it doesn't have the cardboard cover, maybe you could thin pack this set and save some space on the shelf. But there's season 2. It's pretty reasonably priced. I think it's like $25. Very good for like a Blu-ray of a modern day show. Hopefully we will get the third season on disc. I'd like to at this point have the whole thing on physical media, but of course sales will determine that. And I am just one person, but you are not. Well, you are also one person, but collectively, we can make this enough of a hit to get season 3. I am curious, do you have this set? Do you have the first set? Like, is this show, as Sonic would say, your jam? I would love to know. So, at this point, now that we have looked at everything, I'd like to ask if you could comment below and like, favorite, share, subscribe, and I will see you at the movies. Take care, everyone.